Hi, I'm Gleb from Tom Studios and the head of Telegram mini apps there. Today we're going to talk about hypothesis test. So let's imagine you have an idea about a Telegram application. It's nice to test your hypothesis, your idea, before you start development. There are many ways how you can check did the audience, did the market, how they're going to react and act with your idea and with your application. And Telegram gives you nice opportunities to test this hypothesis. For example, you can start with a simple application with only one main function, or it could be just a landing page describing your application, or it could be even a video, where it's like with a motion animation, you present the idea of your application, the values and the benefits, and this will help you receive the feedback and get valuable knowledge to implement your further application. Because without testing hypothesis, there is a chance that you invest your time of your team, and actual money to testing the idea, which isn't worth it, and you spend money for nothing. So it's important to test your hypothesis first. Also, you can use customer development to explore the ideas, interview users, interview your friends, interview a target audience to get this feedback. This helps you with risk mitigation and create a roadmap with user-centric features development. Let's study case of Dropbox. For ones who don't remember, this was the company who created an application to synchronize your files over multiple devices. And then they presented their idea with a short video describing the features of this application, how the files would be synchronized over different devices. And the video explained the core concept and demonstrated how it's easy and convenient to transfer your files, to synchronize it. It's how it's flawless. And overnight, Dropbox team gathered 75,000 subscribers in their waiting list for the application. And this was really helpful for them to validate their idea, their hypothesis, before they started extensive coding. Also, they gave it significant user feedback regarding their product and the features users require from this product. So, what they receive? They receive efficient market validation. They gathered community engagement because a lot of users were very interested to be part of this product and subscribe to be the early adopters of this product. And this helped them to prioritize the features of the product for further development.